Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all tweets at once. First, you need to make sure that you're going on your Google section and you choose Twitter delete on your type section. Then click on the first one and then you'll need to sign up in your Twitter. Now as you can see, here are the informations about deleting tweets. Here you can choose the age of tweets to delete, for example, tweets older than 2 weeks. I will go with tweets older than 1 year. No, I will go with tweets older than 1 week. And I will not choose a containing word or phrase to get a bring to delete the tweet. Run this task only. Also, I have an option to go and automatically every few days basically tweet delete, but I'll not go on the second option. I'll go on my first option once only, and then I have read and agreed to tweet delete terms. I understand deleted tweets cannot be recovered. Go tick that one and go delete the section that says delete my tweets. Now, starting tasks, you need to wait. As you can see, I have many tweets that needs to be deleted in this session. Now guys, as you can see, we have done it. The task process has been processed. Now go on your Twitter account, choose that one that was deleted on your site, go on your profile. And now guys, as you can see, we have deleted all posts on our site that were selected by older than 1 week. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.